Welcome to JVTech. In today's video, we will demonstrate how to control the speed and direction of a DC motor using an Arduino, PWM signals and a 16x2 I2C LCD. We will use buttons for clockwise, anti-clockwise and speed adjustments while displaying the motor speed as a percentage. Here the components you need for this project: an Arduino Uno, L298 motor driver module, 16x2 I2C LCD display, 4 push buttons for controls, a DC motor with connecting wires. Let's make a quick look at the circuit connections. Connect a DC motor to an L29 motor driver. Motor IN3 and 4 connect to PWM pin of 5, 6 on of Arduino Uno. Here is the 4 buttons. These 2 wires for power supply. Four buttons are connected to pins 8, 9, 10 level. An I2C LCD is connected to A4 and A5. Here is the power supply pins for I2C LCD. SCDA connected to A4, SCL connected to A5. Here we are giving L298 power supply from Arduino Uno, 5 volts and ground 5 volts. Now I am giving power supply to the Arduino Uno. Here you can see DC motor speed and direction control. In first cursor we will see clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. In second cursor we see percentage of the DC motor. Here we have 4 push buttons to control and change the direction of the DC motor and control speed also. First button is used for clockwise, second button is used for anti-clockwise, third button is used for increment, fourth button is used for decrement. Here I am incrementing the speed. Here I am decrementing speed. Here you can change the direction also. Now I am changing direction to anti-clockwise. And that's how can control a DC motor speed and direction using Arduino. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome electronics projects. See you in next video. Thank you.